Hello, let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Star, star, square, square, circle, circle, heart, heart, triangle, triangle, hexagon, hexagon, potato brown color, potato brown color, potato brown color, forest green color, forest green color, forest green color, vermilion color, French vermilion color, French vermilion color, light violet color, light violet color, light violet color, ultramarine color, ultramarine color, marine color, warm gray color, warm gray color, warm gray color, star, square, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.